This is DIY Cooking with Connie. I wanted to apologize that we haven't had any videos on lately. I've had some problems. I did get my COVID shots in March and did well from that. I had a little sore arm and that was about it. And then I ended up having to have hand surgery. So that laid me up a few weeks, which I couldn't do much cooking. And I did get awful tired of eating hot dogs. That's just about the only thing I could do with one hand. And in the meantime, I had I'd run a couple of videos of the spring flowers. They were just beautiful this year. We've had a nice, uh, I guess, spring with the rain and everything. Everything's come out in bloom beautifully. And I've got a little garden started. I was planning on a trip to Kentucky with my daughter. We were going to meet my grandson in Kentucky. He lives in North Carolina. He's a psychologist and he doesn't get too much time off. But I screwed that up. The day before we were supposed to go, I ended up in the hospital with pneumonia. And so I'm just recouping from the pneumonia. I still haven't got my strength back. But I'm working really hard to do that. I had dropped my sodium really low and I ended up being anemic and hadn't had enough protein, and also I was dehydrated. So I'd got myself into a mess and I'm trying to bring myself out. And it's really hard to eat when you're not really hungry. But I'm trying my best to eat the protein and plenty of fluids. And it just been really hard. I've been drinking Boost, and that is a good way to get my protein and some vitamins too. I do hope you enjoy the videos that I did get done. Like I said, we are behind on putting those out. In between all of this mess, I did get to celebrate my 75th birthday, and I had a beautiful party. My daughter put a party on for me here at the house, open house it was, and it's just a wonderful day. The rain held off. We just had so many good friends come in, relatives come in, and I was just so pleased with it. It just, 75 years, it seemed like it come awfully quick, and I just appreciate the people that came that day and the cards and the gifts that I received. It was just a very special day to me, and I even had my brother to come, and I don't get to see him very often, but dear friends and my neighbors showed up, and I just love them to death. They look out for me here. And so I want to show appreciation to my daughter for going to the trouble of doing that, and for my son for taking care of me while I had pneumonia. My daughter and her husband had to be away. Her husband lost his brother in Baltimore, Maryland, and so they had to leave to go there. So it has really been a kind of mixed up spring. So I do apologize again and hope that you will continue to watch us. We'll try to do better, and I'll try to stay well. So thank you for tuning in to me. And the
Memorial Day, you got to put out your
oh
flowers.
yeah, I did on Memorial Day. My daughter took me to put out flowers on my husband and my mom and dad, his mom and dad, and then my grandma and grandpa, and aunts and uncles. So I got that done. So I do appreciate everything that God has provided for me, and to pull me through all these trials that I've been through. But I'm getting stronger, and I look to come back strong. So see you in the future. Please enjoy the videos that I did get done.